Hey, what's going on, y'all? I just received my front splitter from R44 Performance from the UK. Great looking piece. Gonna be a nice addition for my 2021 M3. So my car is currently at InkedCustom getting installed. It uses all of the factory bolts, so all you need is extra double-sided tape to secure it a little bit better. We added a protection layer on the bottom to prevent it from scrapes and whatnot. But, if you're living the low life, you're going to scrape regardless. Other than that, I love the piece. You can see it right here. The Patrick's just describing the flimsiness, but we're going to fix that. It's, of course, it's not in the vehicle, so it's a little bit flimsy. But thanks again, R44 Performance, InkedCustom. Hope you all enjoy the pictures afterwards. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll catch you next time. All right, y'all.